Jerry shows up and things break. Thanks, Jerry.
You know, we gotta test the limits. I'm gonna give it a run. See?
There it is.
Quality wheel right there.
What's up, everybody? So today's an exciting day. We are going to the dyno. So first things first, we're gonna do some housekeeping. One, I have to swap the wheels out because they are the wrong offset. So we're gonna get the right offset on there. Thankfully, a friend of mine, SMG Racing, is gonna donate his wheels to me. So we're gonna do an even trade, put his wheels on, shoot to the dyno, tune it, and then tomorrow morning I'm getting a set of R888s mounted on the car. So let's see if it starts. We made it to SMG. Supra's here, ready for service. Daddy's car's clutch is done. Turbo Cobra. You've seen this car before. And got some other goodies. Right-hand drive RX-7 in for service. Got the old man freezing his ass off. And then we're snagging these wheels off this guy. So throw these on, and eventually we'll powder coat them black. Fashionably late. It's only right to show up an hour and 10 minutes late to the dyno session. Make sure all the fans can get there first. You know?
It's alright.
That's how we do things. Dave's gonna be like, I'm going home. Fuck off.
You ain't going nowhere.
Piss off. Uh-oh.
Broken already.
She's gonna need a jump. Jerry shows up and things break. Thanks, Jerry.
You know, we gotta test the limits. I'm gonna give it a run. See?
There it is.
Quality wheel right there.
I would say like 490, 500. It's not wastegate pressure.
I don't see a fire, so we're good there.
No fireball. Let's see what it did. See what it did. So we got what?
I got no boost. I got no boost reading.
No boost? Well, the boost gauge isn't working? It sounded good. It sounded good. It made less power than a stock Toyota Camry. I told you it felt slow. That was the nicest sounding 270 horsepower I've ever heard.
It really was, though. I got scared. I moved out of the way and
It's
everything.
like the car's a bodybuilder. It's all aesthetic.
Yeah.
It's all aesthetic.
It's all looks.
We just set a record. It is the lowest horsepower single turbo Supra in the country, possibly the world.
Not only is it that, but it is the only Supra with a single turbo to ever make less power than a stock Supra.
I'm gonna hold that crown right now. I'm gonna hold that crown. The lowest horsepower Supra single turbo in the US right now. Right there.
Officially faster than a stock Supra.
We're gonna show improvement here?
Yeah.
What we got? 318. There we go. How many pounds of boost we have in there?
14.
Air fuel. Way lean. Add some more fuel.
Okay, Ozzy.
So we're stock twin turbo level right now.
Yeah, bro, it's nice.
It's a stock twin turbo. That's not good. Smoking.
Yeah, he was waving around. I lost the vision there.
Yeah. Not good.
Yeah, fuel's better.
Smoking a bit up front.
What?
Out the
Breather?
breather.
Oh, yeah. I lost ignition.
Well, this is a fail. Can't throw a 335 on there. Super doesn't want to turn on.
Going from low power to no power.
Now the Mustang has no battery.
Mustang's got powered by a bag of cheese doodles. We got a fucking paperweight. No motor. We made it almost home. We're a mile from home, and
Used
it
to
let
be
go.
rotary swaps.
It's going. We're going 3-rotor. Apparently,
LS1 swap. LSX.
Toyota reliability is not something that works for me. I guess.
Not in the fucking, what is this, 19th
Caddy's
century?
still running. Caddy's still running.
Yeah.
Cat.
We got a Cadillac running. Cadillac's
Still
running.
running. Still
Toyota broken.
Smells like Wendy's.
And it figures it's raining tonight. It's cold. We're on a bad turn. All good things. So we made 318 horsepower. So we made two less horsepower than a factory twin turbo,
And this guy's
and it broke. And that's the guy who's gonna fix it.
I'm leaving. It's supposed to be the most.
All right, so update after yesterday. Not good news. Supra had a hiccup on the dyno. From the video you can see, it looked like we lost ignition. But what it turned out to be was there was a little bit of detonation. Don't know exactly what caused it, but all we do know is it hurt the bottom end on the car. So driving home last night, ended up throwing a rod. I was able to shut it down, thankfully, before it blew something through the side of the block. But yeah, she's out of commission for the time being. On a positive note, I got the wheels put on. So the fronts and backs are both on. They need to be painted and cleaned up, and then also have the new tires mounted. But for the time being, the car's gonna be down for a little bit. We need to get a new short block for it, put that in. We're gonna shoot to make 600 with the car, just to make it consistent, make it reliable, and see how it goes from there. I would say the next step from that would be, once I get a few months out of the car running, driving really good, I'll take this block that's in it now, build it, forge pistons, rods, the whole nine, and build that motor to be able to make 1,000 horse. But yeah, as it is right now, a little frustrated. Been a frustrating weekend. Mustang was acting up today too. Just to close it out, I'm flying back down to Florida on Tuesday. Hopefully when I come back up in June, Steve will have the car pretty much back together and ready to rock. So fingers crossed, everything goes smooth from here on out. I'm gonna be optimistic, say that we're gonna be back up and running by June. But stick around, we'll see where we're at.